Good day everyone. I am Christine Joy Ramirez from BSBA 3B and I will be the first reporter in Chapter 13, which is the future of training and development. Training for sustainability. Sustainability refers to a company's ability to make a profit without sacrificing the resources of its employees, the community, or the environment. A growing number of companies have made sustainability an important part of their business strategy. Training and develop is helping them reach their sustainability goals. Training for sustainability provides training and facilitate workshops designed to assist organizations manage adaptation and change, adopt appropriate technologies and use strategies, and develop leadership for more sustainable futures. Increased use of new technologies for training delivery. The use of online learning, mobile learnings like iPads, and other new technologies will likely increase in the future for several reasons. First, the cost of these technologies will decrease. Second, the company can use technology to better prepare employees to serve customers and generate new business. Third, use of these new technologies can substantially reduce training costs related to bringing geographically dispersed employees to a one central training location. Fourth, these technologies allow trainers to build into training many of desirable features of a learning environment. And the last is as companies employ for contingent employees and offer more alternative work arrangements, technology will allow training to be delivered in any places at any time. New technology also make it possible to create smart products. For example, packages sent by UPS leaves an electronic trail that can be used to improve shopping and delivery processes. In the future, training products may also learn an electronic trail that will enable trainers and managers to better understand how these products are being used. New technologies that combine computer science, institutional design, and graphic interfaces have the potential to increase our ability to learn. Table 13.1 shows future trends that will affect training. First is increased use of new technologies for training delivery, increased demand for training for virtual work arrangements, increased emphasis on speed in design, focus in content, and use of multiple delivery methods, increased emphasis on capturing and sharing intellectual capital, increased use of true performance support, increased emphasis on performance analysis and learning for business enhancement, increased use for training partnerships and outsourcing training, and a changed model perspective to training and development. Increased demand for training for virtual work arrangement. Virtual work arrangements include virtual teams as well as telecommuting work that is conducted in a remote location where the employee has limited contact with peers but is able to communicate electronically. The critical feature of virtual work arrangements is that location, organization structure, and employment relationships are not limiting factors. For example, employees from 2 or 3 organizations may work together on a project designed to meet the strategic and operational needs of their organizations. Similarly, employees within a single organization may work with peers from different units or functions on a project team. Virtual knowledge teams have members that are distributed across multiple time zones, countries, or companies. There are 2 training challenges for virtual work arrangements. First, companies have to invest in training delivery methods that facilitate digital collaboration. Digital collaboration refers to an interaction between 2 or more people mediated by a computer. The web, internet, and learning portals enable employees to access training from their desktops and to collaborate with others on an as-needed basis. Second, for companies with virtual work arrangements, having knowledge, knowing which employees possess it, and sharing knowledge within and across functions, teams, and individuals are critical for effectiveness. Teams and employees must be provided with the tools that they need for finding knowledge that can be used to provide service, develop or manufacture a product, or refine a process. Virtual work arrangements rely on digital collaboration. Virtual team members need training in teamwork skills and understanding cultural differences as well as in technical skills and competencies needed to perform their jobs. Increased emphasis on speed in design, focusing content, and use of multiple delivery methods. As discussed in Chapter 1, the traditional training design model has been criticized for reasons. First, it is a linear approach driven by subject matter experts. Second, the instructional system design model uses a rational, step-by-step approach that assumes that the training content is stable. Third, given the accelerated demand for training to be delivered just in time, traditional training takes too long. Rapid Instructional Design or RID is a group of techniques that allows training to be built more quickly. RID modifies the training design models that consist of needs analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. There are two important principles in RID. One is that instructional content and process can be developed independently of each other. The second is that resources that are devoted to design and delivery of instruction can be reallocated as appropriate. Design includes everything that happens before the training experience. Delivery is what happens during the training experience. For example, if the company has limited resources for training delivery, such as large group of trainees and a tight schedule, extra time should be allocated to the design process. These are the example of RID strategies. First, focus on accomplishment and performance. Develop a learning system instead of an instructional system. Use shortcuts. Example, use existing records for needs assessment and conduct focus groups. Combine different steps of the instructional design process. Implement training and continuously improve it. Skip steps in the instructional design process. Use existing course materials that can be customized with examples, exercises, and assignments. Develop instruction around job aids. Use recording equipment, internet, and email to collect data and exchange information with subject matter experts. Increase emphasis on capturing and sharing intellectual capital. Companies that recognize the strategic value of becoming a learning organization and are concerned about the loss of valuable knowledge because their baby boomer employees are retiring will continue to seek ways to turn the employees' knowledge into a shared company asset. As emphasized in Chapter 2, training functions will focus on learning, with an emphasis on employee training and development and the management and coordination of organizational learning. Sharing knowledge and contributing to the company's intellectual capital is going to become more common as collaborative social networking technology and web tools make this simpler to implement. The rise of intelligent tutors and on-demand learning technologies will make connection to information faster, more current and accurate, and more easily customizable to employees' needs and work. The increased use of new technologies to deliver training and to store and to communicate knowledge means that trainers must be technologically literate. Increased use of true performance support. Embedded learning refers to learning that occurs on the job as needed. It involves collaboration and non-learning technologies such as instant messaging and is integrated with knowledge management. Embedded learning may become increasingly prevalent in the future because companies can no longer have employees attend classroom instruction or spend hours on online learning that is not directly relevant to their current job demands. Embedded learning products include task-specific, real-time content and simulation that are accessible during work as well as real-time collaboration with virtual workspaces. Recent and rapid adaptation of wireless technology is connecting employees directly to business processes. For example, Radio frequency identification chips are implemented in products such as clothing, tires, and mechanical parts. These chips contain information that is beamed via radio waves to employees processing handheld wireless devices. Learning is a business process that is integrated with several other business processes. Figure 13.1 shows the four functional areas and applications of real-time extended business in which employees and system work together. In a process to produce products and service, the four areas are resource management, collaboration management, product management, and process management. Resource management includes applications designs to create inventories and map resources. Collaboration management includes events, processes, and experience that characterize work. Process management includes analysis of the workflow and of the people and the system in the workflow. Product management includes the links among employees, product partners, and customers.